Okay, today is November 5th, 2021, and I'm going to be performing a cap kit on my Space Ace logic board, specifically to try to improve the audio quality, reduce audio noise. So before I do that, I'm going to just power on the Space Ace just so I can do a before and after comparison and get a sense of what the noise is like before I do the cap kit. Okay, here we go. I can still hear a little soft whine.
Space Ace, defender of justice, truth, and the planet Earth. Ace is being attacked by the evil Commander Borg.
Hold your fire!
Okay, so I'm right up against the speaker grill here. You can hear some slight noise. That amount of noise actually doesn't really bother me, but I know it bothers some people, so alright, so I'm going to do the cap kit and we'll see what happens. Okay, I finished the cap kit and put it back into my game, and I was noticing I wasn't getting any sound out of the right speaker. So I basically took the wiring harness partially apart, clipped all of the twisty ties, so I could pull the, I mean, I did a continuity test on the RCA jack, and I found that from one end to the other, there's a break in the wire somewhere, and I never noticed that before, so it's been like this the whole time. But I also noticed there's some black tape on here, so it looks like someone had come before me and tried to splice this up, and this might be where the problem is. So, I mean, I would like to take the whole thing apart, but it looks like the Molex pin is connected to another, like this ground wire is connected to another ground wire, so it'll be kind of a pain to like take this apart and redo it. So I'm going to just try to unwrap this and see if I can like resolder something or see where the problem is. Okay, I got all the insulation removed. It looks like a pretty, well, I didn't find any problems. So it looks like the break is inside this cable somewhere, so I'm probably just going to replace the whole cable. I don't want to try to figure out where the break is and just reuse this wiring up here. Okay, I've got everything put back together, so let's see how it sounds. The buzz is still there, but it's a lot quieter, and it's only before the first play command. So now it's pretty quiet now. I mean, the loudest noise.
Space Ace, defender of justice, truth, and the planet Earth.
The loudest
Ace
sound
is being attacked by the evil commander board.
Hold your fire!
So the fan in the back of the cabinet is really loud. The speakers, I'm going to put it right up next to it. It's still making a slight whine, but it's so quiet that if you have the volume set at a decent level and you're standing back here, I can't hear it at all. So I think this is totally acceptable. And I am getting sound out of both speakers. Start it.
Hey, Bart! Come on.
There's Blair's ship.
Yeah, it sounds really good. Alright. Well, I'm going to declare the audio cap kit a success. Now my Space Ace sounds way better. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video.